Today we're going to explore how to evaluate exponents with decimal and fractional bases. If you recall, an exponent tells us how many times the base is used as a factor. So 2 to the second power equals 2 times 2. 2 to the third power equals 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the fourth power equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And 2 to the fifth power equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and so on. Do you see a pattern? The exponent tells us how many times to use that base number 2 as a factor. The same concept can be used with fractions and decimals as your base. Let's start with fractions. 1/2 to the second power. Since our exponent is a 2, that means we have to use 1/2 as a factor 2 times. 1, 2. Let's review how to multiply fractions. Step 1. Multiply the numerators. 1 times 1 in our numerator equals 1. Step 2. Multiply the denominators. 2 times 2 in our denominator equals 4. So 1/2 to the second power equals 1/4. Let's do another example. 4/5 to the third power. Since our exponent is a 3, that means we have to use 4/5 as a factor 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Using those same steps, let's multiply our fractions. When there are 3 fractions instead of just 2, we can still follow the steps of multiplying numerators and denominators, but we want to multiply all 3 numerators together and all 3 denominators together. Step 1. Multiply the numerators. 4 times 4 times 4 in our numerator equals 64. Step 2. Multiply the denominators. 5 times 5 times 5 in our denominator equals 125. So 4/5 to the third power equals 64 over 125. We can also evaluate exponents with decimal bases. Let's try one. 4/10 to the second power. Since our exponent is a 2, that means we have to use 4/10 as a factor 2 times. 1, 2. Let's review how to multiply decimals. Step 1. Multiply as you would with whole numbers. 4 times 4 equals 16. Step 2. Count the total number of decimal places in the factors. 1, 2. Step 3. Move the decimal point in the product one place to the left for each decimal place you counted. Since we counted 2 decimal places in the problem, we have to count it back in our answer. 1, 2. So 4/10 to the second power equals 16/100. Note, anything raised to the 0th power is just 1. 3/100 to the 0th power equals 1. 3/4 to the 0th power equals 1. And 1,000,000 to the 0th power equals, you guessed it, 1. Just one more example. 1/10 to the 4th power. Since our exponent is a 4, that means we have to use 1/10 as a factor 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's again use those same steps. Step 1. Multiply as you would with whole numbers. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. Step 2. Count the total number of decimal places in the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 3. Move the decimal point in the product one place to the left for each decimal place you counted. Since we counted 4 decimal places in the problem, we have to count it back in our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1/10 to the 4th power equals 1/10,000. Good luck, and thanks for watching.